With Kling O1, you can combine multiple elements into a single image or video and then change them however you want using natural language. Instead of relying on traditional compositing, masking, or rotoscoping, Kling O1 lets you add, replace, and edit elements directly inside the scene. This fundamentally changes how you approach video creation. Inside FLORA, the workflow starts by dropping in your core assets. In this case, I'm working with 3 references: a motorbike set in a cinematic city environment at night, a female model, and a black leather jacket. Once those assets are in place, I connect them to a single video block, select Kling O1 as the model, and choose an aspect ratio. These references give Kling O1 clear visual anchors for the character, wardrobe, and environment. From there, I describe the scene in simple language. You can define the mood, the lighting, the camera angle, and the overall cinematic style without getting too technical. Then I hit generate. If I want to change something, I don't need to rebuild the scene entirely. For example, I can swap the leather jacket or motorbike simply by connecting a new reference image and explaining what should change. Kling O1 understands the intent and updates the scene while keeping everything else consistent. What's powerful here is I can modify multiple elements at once. The model, the outfit, the motorbike can all be adjusted together while maintaining a cohesive look and cinematic continuity. Kling O1 also works even without reference images. If I want to experiment, I can change the time of day, shift the weather, enhance the lighting, or remove objects entirely using text alone. And if something feels off, maybe an accessory disappears or the scene lighting doesn't match the mood, I don't have to start over. I can correct it directly with another prompt. The same multi-reference approach also works for still images. By connecting everything to an image block, I can refine a single frame until it's perfect. Once I have that locked-in reference image, I can feed it back into the video block and prompt only the motion and changes I want to see. The result is a flexible, non-destructive workflow where images and video inform each other. You're not fighting the tool, but rather directing it. That's what makes Kling O1 inside FLORA so powerful. You can build, iterate, and refine cinematic scenes in a way a creative team actually works. If you want to stay up to date on all things AI creativity and learn how to build your own AI native studio, head to escapism.ai and sign up for my free newsletter. Thank you for watching.